Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We just thought that we wanted to just hop on here really quickly and just say a big thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you from all aspects. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Thank you for your kind words, words of encouragement, your sympathy, your empathy, your love,
Oh,
and the donations that you guys have also made to our friend.
Ian is so grateful. We are grateful for you helping us, helping him. It's just so awesome. I
Yeah.
think we're up to a bit over 200 donations, big and small. Everyone counts just as much. Some of you have reached out directly to us, expressing your want to give him something personally, which is also okay. You can help Ian however you want to through GoFundMe. You can ask us for direct contact with Ian.
Yeah.
The GoFundMe page is still open. We're receiving the funds from GoFundMe bit by bit that we're then transferring to Ian. And as I said, it's still open. As today, I think we're up to about 35,000 Swedish crowns, which equals around 3,000 US dollars. He has an expensive surgery that's coming up. Do you remember the date for that, Kemalto? Is it this next week or so?
The surgery date, I think he said, was somewhere around the 11th or 12th of October. So yeah, he has already collected the money that we have sent, and hopefully he can make a down payment by Monday to do his surgery. Obviously what we have raised isn't enough for the surgery itself, but it still helps a bit, and he's very grateful anyway.
Extremely grateful.
Guys,
Extremely
he
grateful.
literally says that not just me and Alex, but we're all angels for him right now, and that just touched my heart so much. And
Yeah, this just proves that like this is people power. As a community we can come together and actually change, or in this situation help. I mean, it's just it's just so powerful
yeah.
to actually be able to connect with people and come together and help for a good cause.
Yeah. As it relates to, well, we will obviously keep you guys updated
Definitely.
as it relates to his progress and his surgery and how the GoFundMe is going. But apart,
It's still open. I said that, but I can't stress that enough. Please help if you can, want. Yeah, no pressure.
yeah, the
Just-
link is in the description below. And for you who have also messaged saying that you're not sure how it works in Swedish crown, because the donation is in Swedish crown, you're not sure how much USD or pounds
Yeah, we should put that
that
in.
is. I'll put on the screen what the current exchange rate is for those currencies, so you have an idea of what it potentially could be when you want to donate. So yeah, that's that for that side. Yeah. And as it relates to Alex, thank you guys, as I already said in the beginning of the video, for your kind words and suggestions. We've gotten so many emails also with tips on how we can do and so to make sure that he stays cured. Well, not cured, but cancer free.
Yeah,
Probably
guys.
some of you also, if you didn't watch the whole video, you probably still think Alex has cancer. So to just clarify that Alex does not have cancer at the moment. And I hope that it stays like that for a very long time and forever. So he's cancer free, he's healthy, he's bubbly, he's chirpy, and he's giving me all the love.
Yeah.
And I'm giving him all the love.
It was an emotional video to do.
Yeah.
I feel like I really put my emotions out there for you guys.
It's an emotional situation. So
Yeah, but at the same time, it was nice to just get it off my chest.
yeah.
We can move on, making more videos, and continue our journey.
Yeah. And not only that, just sharing is also teaching, because a lot of people probably didn't even know how skin cancer works, and also you get to hear other people's story.
There are a lot of comments that came in people coming with advice, sharing their own stories when they got cancer, some with skin cancer also.
Yeah.
We don't have the time to answer to every comment for that video, even if you want to. We have a lovely little child. We just have to try time work for us, you know. But we read
The majority.
I can promise you that.
Yeah. And the diet tips also. Thank you for
that. The
that.
diet tips. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
And all your shared stories. It's nice reading them.
And you guys were talking about soursop tea. But you know the funny thing is, who loves soursop tea like Alex? Alex loves soursop tea. And it's so crazy because this time when we came from Jamaica, we actually forgot to bring soursop leaves with us, because I kid you not, and I'm so serious, every time that we come from Jamaica, or I would come from Jamaica here, I always brought soursop leaves. So I don't know why we forgot it this time, but yeah. But anyway, guys, big thank you, and
thank you.
We just felt like it was just right to put this video out to give you guys an update and just to say a general thanks, because obviously we can't reply to everyone. We've seen your comments, we've seen the love, we felt the love. Yeah, thank you so much. We'll see you in our next video that we'll be putting out in a few days.
Quite shortly after this one.
Yes. Bye guys, and take care of yourselves.
Bye. Thank you.